Dr. Reddy's enters hormone replacement therapy segment with Progynova deal. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories has taken a strategic step into the hormone replacement therapy segment through the acquisition of Progynova and Cycloprogynova brands in India. This move expands its footprint in women's health and enhances its branded formulations portfolio. Progynova, containing estradiol valerate, is indicated for the treatment of estrogen deficiency symptoms and prevention of postmenopausal osteoporosis. It holds the leading position in its category with strong physician equity and brand recall. Cycloprogynova combines estradiol valerate and nogestrel, offering both estrogen and progestogen components for comprehensive hormone therapy. The combination therapy addresses broader treatment needs in postmenopausal women. With reported sales of 100 crore Bharatiya Rupee for Progynova as per IQVIA Mid December 2025, the acquisition brings immediate scale to Dr. Reddy's gynecology business. Established brands with strong prescription demand typically provide stable revenue visibility. The HRT segment in India remains relatively under-penetrated compared to global markets, presenting long-term growth potential. Rising awareness around menopause management and women's health could support sustained demand expansion. Dr. Reddy's already has a strong distribution network and established relationships with healthcare professionals across India. Leveraging this infrastructure could further enhance the reach and growth of the acquired brands. From a strategic perspective, acquisitions of established specialty brands reduce product development timelines and accelerate market entry. Instead of building new brands from scratch, the company gains immediate access to an existing customer base and prescription momentum. Women's health remains a key therapeutic focus area globally, with increasing attention on preventive care and quality of life treatments. Entry into the HRT segment aligns with broader healthcare trends emphasizing specialized and patient-centric therapies. For investors, this acquisition signals portfolio diversification within the domestic branded formulations business. Established, market-leading brands often provide margin stability and strengthen competitive positioning. Overall, the acquisition of Progynova and Cycloprogynova marks a focused expansion for Dr. Reddy's into the hormone replacement therapy space. By combining brand equity, market leadership and distribution strength, the company aims to deepen its presence in India's growing women's health segment. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.